Welcome to my first moving vlog. This does not feel real. I posted in my last video that we are selling our house. I haven't announced where we're moving to. Put your guesses down below where you think we're moving to. Is it down the road? Is it to a different state? Is it across the country? Let us know your thoughts. But today is the first day of packing. It's Saturday, so I'm gonna have Sam's help. He's at the gym right now, and then he's gonna stop at Home Depot and get some additional boxes, and then we're really gonna try to crank some things out. I can't believe that this is the last time our house will look like this. Like, fully like our home. It hasn't set in yet. It doesn't feel real. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be doing little mini vlogs along the way as well over there, and you can just keep up with my daily life over there if you want. Thankfully, we've got plenty of time to get this done. Here's our timeline just to fill you in so you can understand everything. Today is Saturday. We are officially loading a moving truck by Friday. So we've got time, but the thing is that Sam works Monday through Friday. So really I only have today and tomorrow with his help, like his full attention help, you know? So we're really gonna get a lot of the big stuff done today, like taking down all the curtain rods, spackling the holes, filling those in, just handling those kind of bigger items. And then throughout the week, I can, you know, box up everything else and just do little things here and there is kind of the plan. So let's get started. Sam is still at Home Depot, so I'm gonna try and get this room figured out. Here's a little tip is I always like, if you have the space, obviously, I always like to have a room that's like the catch-all room, but like these boxes are done, so they're in here kind of thing. So in order for me to do this right, I need to like dismember this whole bed, which is fine because actually underneath there's just more boxes. So if you guys saw the vlog where we were setting up this room, we were really staging this room to list our house, which is crazy. So underneath this bed is literally just boxes. Like the bed is sitting on top of boxes. Nothing stable. I'm trying to decide if I want to listen to my audiobook or blast music instead. Okay, we'll do a quick book chat. I'll try and make this quick because this is not what this is about. But I've been listening to The Cruel Prince, and right now it's a 3-star book. Like, I'm interested, it's good, but I'm not like, I need to know what's happening next. But I knew that the first book isn't where it's at. People say like the next book and the next book are the best ones. So I'm just trying to get through. Maybe it's because I'm also reading it on or listening to it on an audiobook. I'm just like, I don't know if it's the way it's written. I don't know why I'm not super driving with it. Like the idea of the book sounds like something I'd love, but it's just not hitting it. I don't know what's happening, but I'm only, you know, halfway through the book. So I'll keep you updated. Also, the reason why I'm even listening to audiobooks, I love audiobooks, but Audible is kind of expensive, and so I thought about doing Audible, but I was like, it's fine. I'll just keep reading my books. Then I got an email from Amazon saying, your Audible subscription is renewed. And I was like, that's weird. I don't have an Audible subscription. Went to Audible, logged in. Turns out I do. And turns out I have had a subscription. So I have like 7 credits. So I guess for the past 7 months, I don't know when I did that. But it was perfect timing because we're gonna be doing a lot of moving, a lot of driving. It was an accident, but it was like a good accident, if you know what I mean. I got 7 credits. So if you have any audiobook recommendations, let me know down below. Sam's got all this stuff. Here's my thoughts on the plan for today. Let's start by getting that room to a point to where it can be the room where we put everything. We can do that together because I'm gonna need your help with moving that stuff. And then I say you start pulling down all that kind of stuff that I'm not gonna be able to do on my own. Okay. I bought these extra large suction vacuum bags off of Amazon, and I'm going to use these to suction down all of our bedding to make it really easy to keep stored and moved. So I'm gonna do that now. Whoa, why does this seem complicated? Truly is extra large. I feel like we've gotten a lot done. But what I'm not feeling good about is what I'm looking at and what's behind you. Just everything is a mess, so I'm gonna try and clean this all up. I've packed up like 90% of our kitchen, so another tip I have for you is if you're waiting to the last minute to pack your kitchen because you need the plates, the bowls, the cups, I think it's just so easy to go get some paper plates, some paper bowls, and some paper cups and just call it a day, or have like your one cup that you reuse. I'm gonna make things a little bit orderly. It's currently like 4:30, so then we'll probably do dinner soon, and then we'll do this all over again tomorrow. We're gonna go to one of our favorite places here in Atlanta, Bar Taco, just cause it's been a long day. Why not celebrate, right?
Hey, we're matching?
We are matching.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead.
I'm gonna miss our little park. I shouldn't say little, it's actually a really big park. Right by our house. It has 2 baseball fields, a swimming pool, soccer fields, a walking trail, playground, volleyball, dog park, so many things. And we do this, or we try to do this every night. Doesn't always happen, but I love it. And I'm gonna miss it. I think this is actually the thing that I'll miss most about our house and like the area that we live in, is this park. Currently at Trader Joe's. Go get our frozen meals for the week because we packed up the kitchen yesterday.
Yeah.
We just finished up at church. It was very nice.
Yesterday there was sun in the
I just made myself some eggs and I opened the drawer to find like a spatula and it was empty, and I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I packed up like the majority of my kitchen. So I think I'm gonna halt on packing up the kitchen. That way we can still use like a few of our pots and pans and things like that, because that's really all I have left. So today I think I'm gonna try and pack up a lot of the guest bedroom, since we're gonna try and take apart the bed frame today. I think that will be really helpful. So I need to do picture frames and things like that. And then I don't know what else to do. There's a ton to do. It's not that we don't have anything to do. I just feel overwhelmed by everything that we have. Oh, that's hot. Babe, with this weather, I'm like, whoa, what if it rains on Friday?
Yeah, that would suck actually.
easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
I am wrapping up my book. I only have less than an hour left and it is getting good. So I'm curious to see how the next one will be. But speaking of books, I'm about to empty out our TV stand and it is filled with all my books. So is the other side. And books are so heavy and so hard to move. So part of me is like, do I need them? And I'm like, I love having all my books that I've read, but most of those I haven't touched in forever. Our next home, I would love to have like a ton of bookshelves, and you need books to fill the bookshelves. So I think I'm gonna keep them. I just need to be smart and not overfill this box to where it's too heavy to carry. Today, I have not felt like doing any of this, if I'm being completely honest.
Rolling hills as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no.
All right, Sam's getting a lot done in the guest bedroom right now. Teddy just woke up from
Oh!
a nap.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, you could probably still leave this frame thing. Wait, babe. Oh wait, that's what you're doing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're unbelievable. You know that? No, babe, hold on. I've been doing this for the past.
You do it to me all the time too.
A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way.
Are you?
Dreamy, breezy, we go.
You are hilarious.
On our tiptoes.
Yeah, I bet that did hurt.
Undercover agents of
Come on! Lift it up!
gravel beyond.
Lift it up where you were.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond no.
So next day, let me fix that. Sam hung it up crooked yesterday just to, I guess, annoy me. I don't know. And then I didn't fix it. Let's just... We had to put that back up because I need to film a video today announcing that we're moving. And I didn't want our house to look unfinished. So we just threw that back up and then we'll tackle everything else once I'm done filming that. Today, I am planning on tackling my bathroom. I made a physical list. I don't know where it went, but I have been so distracted. Like I've done like some of the kitchen, some of the living room, some of here, some of there. I have not completely finished like one space at all. Actually the guest bathroom, I did complete that space. I'm gonna try and focus on that today, like complete all the tasks. I'm just very ADD whenever I pack. Like I start doing one thing, then I go over here and then I start doing another. I'm the same way when I clean, but our espresso machine has stopped working. I don't know what's wrong with it. We've had it happen like this before where the pressure goes too high and it just like won't pour the shot. And last time it was like, okay, we just need to clean it. So I descaled it this morning and it still isn't working. So Sam got coffee on his way back from the gym for me, which is so sweet. Vacuum seal bags are the best things ever. If I have any tip for you while moving, it's these. I'm going to vacuum seal all those pillows in this one bag and it's going to become like this thick. Watch. It's going to go from this to this. Look how thin that is. Is that not the best thing ever? I feel like I've done a lot today. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I have completely gotten everything out from under the sink and this is stuff that I need in the meantime. And then drawers are all clean and empty. I packed up all of our throw pillows and this is the progress of this room. I did all of the vacuum sealed bags. And then this is the progress of this room. It's looking good.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
What? The food?
Look.
The drool. Ew, Teddy. Look it. Look it. Look it.
There you go. There you
Good
go.
boy.
There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh. Good morning. Happy day. What is it? 3 of packing? I don't really know. I spent an hour this morning trying to fix our espresso machine. I don't know what's going on. There's so many variables with this thing. It could be your beans. It could be the grind size. It could be the amount that you tamper it. So many things. So I finally somewhat fixed it and I got coffee this morning, which I'm very grateful for. I would have just pulled out our other coffee stuff, but I packed it up. So this was our only option. Last night, I started feeling sick and I am like, oh no, I hope I'm not getting sick. I woke up this morning not feeling great, My ears feel very pressured. My neck is sore. I always get sick during really stressful times. My immune system is just terrible, so I've been taking some emergency, trying to just get a ton of vitamins in, and hopefully I do okay. I took some Dayquil as well. And we've got a busy packing day. I'm making a to-do list really quick because I am all over the place still with packing, and I need to be more organized. So I'm just gonna do one of each thing, and I'm not going all over the place. I need to go through this closet. This is my first order of business. Some of this stuff, like, I put in here because it's packed. These are clothes that I just need to bring into my closet. It's really all of this stuff. I completely forgot we had these blankets. It is a while later. Sorry if you can hear Teddy panting. Usually I send him away when I'm filming, but they want to say hi to you. Look at this big head. I actually just had a friend come over and bring us dinner, which is so sweet and much needed. It actually came in perfect timing. I think, like I mentioned earlier, I'm just not feeling great. And I woke up this morning so relieved knowing that they were gonna bring us a homemade meal because I haven't been cooking very much. Okay. I really, really appreciate it. Elizabeth, if you're watching, thank you. She also brought her golden retriever over and they played for a little bit, which is why he's still panting. I've actually tackled everything that I wrote down on my list earlier. So now we're gonna do a few other things. I didn't plan on doing just that today. I was just like focusing on doing those 3 things first. Then I would figure out everything else I needed to do. So I think what I'm gonna do is tackle our closet and pack away in section bags things that we don't need for a little bit. Which part of me is like, do I just do a closet clean out and just go through all my clothes? Comment down below if you guys remember Remy when I lived at home. If you're a true OG, when I was in high school and a little bit into college. When Remy was our dog. Good boy. My camera died in the middle while I was doing my closet, but completely chosen everything I'm packing up and things I'm kind of keeping for the time being. These are the clothes I'm keeping, dresses I'm keeping, and then a few other tops I'm keeping. It actually looks like a lot now that I'm looking at it. Sam's home. Are you eating pepperoni?
I am.
Dinner is in the oven from Elizabeth.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
And then green beans are on the stove.